Good day, guys. This is the daily dishes, and let's rinse them under hot water. You see this as well. So now dishwasher is gonna wash it for me. So right here, guys, when you have put that in the dishwasher, like so, beautiful. So time to close it. So it's time to close it. And then I'm gonna put this one tablet. So goes in here like so. And then close it and then just turn it on. You see it right here. So 65 degrees Celsius. And then bang! Maintain gear up! Woo! Thank you guys for watching. But the rest of the dishes, I'm gonna mash it with my hands. Mash it and put on there now. First these cups, these coffee cups, they can go in the there where they belong, I'm Kids Kitchen, woo, dishwasher, woo. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.